Somewhere ahead of you, Allah has something good waiting, something you haven't seen yet, haven't felt yet, maybe haven't even imagined yet, and it's closer than you think. Give me a few minutes, because what I'm about to say might be exactly the hope you needed today. Nothing good in your life has ever arrived by accident. Every blessing you've received was being prepared long before you saw any sign of it, quietly, patiently, while you were still going about your ordinary days. The same is true right now. Something good is already being prepared for you, even in this exact moment, even if there is no visible evidence of it yet. Whatever season you're in right now, tired, uncertain, waiting, it's not the ending. It's a chapter, and chapters change. Allah doesn't leave His servants in the same place forever. What feels permanent right now, this exact struggle or stillness, is temporary compared to what He has planned next. You're not stuck, you're simply in between. Sometimes we limit what we expect from Allah to exactly what we ask for, forgetting that He's capable of giving more than we knew to hope for. Allah says in the Quran, "And whoever fears Allah, He will make for him a way out, and will provide for him from where he does not expect." The good thing waiting for you might not look like what you pictured. It might arrive from a direction you never expected, better and more fitting than what you imagined. You don't have to know exactly when it's coming to start living like you believe it is. Keep showing up, keep praying, keep being grateful for what's already here while you wait for what's next. Gratitude doesn't just prepare your heart to receive it. It makes the waiting lighter too. Something good is already on its way to you. Hold on to that. Comment, "I believe it," if you're choosing hope today. And if someone you know needs this reminder, send it to them. Allah Hafiz.